People, Alkaline Vendetta fans, this Bounty Killer in the wickedest way. Bounty Killer gets styling in the wickedest way. Over 12,000 people walk out pan Bounty Killer in the Barclays. Bounty get one of the biggest style and disrespect in a dancehall as a veteran. So by now, you know say Bounty Killer I go headline Reggae Fest. Alkaline de pan show as well. Capitan de pan show. Mr. Vegas. TOK de pan show. Elephant Man. Shensia. Seeing a whole bunch of artists de pan show. And me tell you say Bounty Killer I go get style. Some people say me chat too much and a frigri me attack. But Bounty Killer did an interview with DJ Academics where Bounty Killer style Alkaline. Bounty Killer disrespect Alkaline in the wickedest way. And Alkaline did a song called Keyman, where Alkaline said them have to call up his name on the internet, forget a viral moment, forget a internet moment. Alkaline said that corny. And me I tell you saying fan base pay attention to the song and to the artist, and a whole bunch of people watch the Bounty Killer interview, and me call out Bounty Killer from Jump Street and say, Killer, every you do, you're big man, you're elder, you in your 50s, Alkaline is just 30. And people are going to say, yeah, pick panda youth ya for the man a 20-year-old. When the man tell you about your mother, the youth was 20 years old. Now the youth are 30. Plus Bounty Killer now clash the youth. Bounty Killer now go after the youth. Lyrically, Bounty Killer go after Alkaline. Personally, and me tell you say, the two biggest fan base in a dancehall right now are Vendetta and Gaza. And are the two fan base in a music right now where tribal and have a cult-like following. You have to be careful how you style Vice Cartel. You have to be careful how you style Alkaline. So Bounty Killer, this Alkaline, in the DJ Academics interview, and now the fan base respond by walking out from Bounty Killer.